Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make your own DIY oven cleaner. So do you want a clean oven, but you hate all of the smells of those toxic, harsh chemicals? Or maybe you don't have a self-cleaning oven, and so you want an easy, cheap alternative that you can make right at home that will save you a lot of elbow grease. So you definitely want to stick around for that. Go to RoxySaran.com if you're ready to get started with essential oils, and be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. All right, so getting a clean oven is so important, but we want to avoid all of those toxic chemicals, right? It's a toxic proposition when we say we need to clean our ovens. And so we want to show you how easy it is to do that today. But commercial oven cleaners are full of caustic and even poisonous chemicals, right? So as women, we definitely don't want to partake in that. And maybe even a self-cleaning oven, if you have one of those, it makes a lot of smoke and stinky smells in your house, right? So it stinks you out of your house and your home. So we want to be able to have a cheap, eco-friendly alternative that you can make right at home. And so most of it is things that you already have on hand. So we're going to be working with baking soda, salt, the coarse salt, liquid dish soap, and we'll have lemon, wild orange, and tea tree oils, and a little bit of water. So these are things that most of us already have at home. If you're ready to get started with essential oils today, go to RoxySaran.com. We'd love to welcome you there to the Oily family. Or if you just want to purchase lemon or wild orange and tea tree, you can do that right there at RoxySaran.com. All right, so let me show you how easy it is to combine these ingredients. So we're working with 3/4 of a cup of baking soda. I'm gonna go ahead and add that. 3/4 of a cup of baking soda. Now this is enough paste for one oven. If you have 2 ovens like I do, you'll definitely need to double your recipe. 1 tablespoon of the coarse salt. Now we want that because that'll give you a little bit more grain power when you are scrubbing a little bit if you have anything extra caked on. So 1 tablespoon of the coarse salt, 1/4 of a cup of the liquid dish soap. Any dish soap will do. And we'll do 5 drops of lemon, wild orange, and tea tree, and 3 to 5 tablespoons of water as needed to make a really good paste. So 5 drops of tea tree. All right, doesn't have to be perfect. If you get a couple extra in there, it's okay. 5 drops of wild orange, and we'll do 5 drops of lemon. Now all these work really great together. They smell amazing. They're non-toxic in your home. You're gonna love that. And I have 3 tablespoons of water in here. So there you go. And now we're gonna just mix this up together, and we're gonna make a little paste for your ovens. So this is going to do the work and smell amazing, and all you have to do later is wash it off with a sponge. So we're gonna combine these, making a thick paste. You're going to make sure that your ovens are cool before you clean them. I hope I don't need to tell you that, but just in case, you need to have cool ovens. And then you'll apply a generous thick layer all over the inside and inside of your oven, and you'll let it sit for several hours. Just let the essential oils and the baking soda and the salt do the heavy lifting for you. So just let it sit in there. After that, you're going to clean it out with a sponge and make sure that you wipe off all of the baking soda, otherwise it'll smell really stinky the next time you bake, all right? So you don't wanna leave any behind. All right, well, I hope this is helpful to you. Look at that beautiful paste that we made. It is ready to go, and I'll show you. I'm gonna start, have a little basting sponge. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how easy it is to go ahead and get this on your oven. All right. So just like this, guys, you're just gonna go ahead and let it do its magic inside your oven. All right, so we're gonna continue with that and let it sit for several hours. Well, thank you so much for being here today. If you're ready to get started with essential oils, go to RoxySaran.com. We'll love to help you, welcome you to the Oily family right there. Or if you just want to purchase one or two things, that's totally cool. Go to RoxySaran.com and you can shop right there on our website. If you are new to our channel, be sure to hit subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I'd love to hear how this recipe works for you for your oven, and I'd love to hear your feedback. All right, on our next video, be sure you hit that bell notification so you find out about our next video. We'll be talking about skincare for acne prone skin. I hope you have a fabulous day today.